Today is May 31st. It's a little bit windy on the lake. You can see the waves. It's pretty much a lot of waves here. You can see this is the boat. It's a bowrider, fish finder. Shows a little fish in here. There's also the RPM meter and the compass and the voltmeter. There's also stereo here. And that's the motor on the back. It's an outboard, 40 horsepower. We also have the gas tank, the battery, and the other stuff. Now we go for a ride. Starts with the first start. This is only on 4,000 RPM.